portray anti-graft, whatever anti-graft. The committee is not evidence in itself. The evidence is one document, the testimony presented in this committee. And the ombudsman will now look at this evidence presented, whether or not